Hello guys, Streamvlogs here, welcome back to another video. So today I decided to do another app review, because I noticed that the Calculator Plus app review I did, I don't know how long ago, about 2 years ago now, has 55,000 views. So therefore we should go and check another app out. So we're going to go to top charts, and just choose an app that looks interesting. And we better find one, because I don't fancy doing a rubbish one. In fact, let's go into categories and do something like driving. Is that one of them? There you go, auto and vehicles. Well, there we go. Let's go, POV car driving. Gonna say the first image doesn't look fantastic, but I'm not going to be the first one to put it down, so fun stuff. Let's let it download. Hey guys, so I am now playing the game, and this is what it first brings up. Application is collect and transmit Android advertising identifier data for better ad serving, which I believe means this app collects and transmits data to give you more personalised ads. This seems like a copyrighted song. Oh well. Please let me find a way. How do I shut this up? Oh please. Right, fine. Istanbul, yeah, that'll do. Kinda wish there was a way to shut that up. Oh Jesus, what's happening there? Ooh. I like that. There we go. It's not got a wheel though, which is slightly irritating, means I have to tilt my phone. That's the brake. Christ, okay. I don't really see the point in this game. Also, it seems less like the car's turning than it is just going left and right. Yeah, it's just going left and right, isn't it? It's still in the same orientation, that's just irritating. It's like something from the Atari consoles or something from the 80s. What's the point in this game, really? Do you know what? If you're a little kid and you want an easy game... Sorry, I might have just covered the mic there. If you're a little kid and you want an easy game, this game will do. If you're any older than about the age of 5, you don't want this game. And that's my verdict.